Woo! How's it going, YouTube? And welcome to a new episode of First Timers. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about moving your CRO coin, which I'll put a little image here, CRO coin, over to your Visa credit card or your Visa or your Crypto.com Visa credit card. So this is kind of like a prepaid metal card, which is very, very, very cool. But the idea is if you're on Crypto.com, you're most likely staking certain currencies. Now the problem is to top off that card, there's only a select number of the currencies that it allows you to top off with. So I'm going to kind of show you how to pretty much move your CRO coin into Bitcoin and then Bitcoin onto your card. It's not too hard, but like I said, I know some people are very nervous and it's a little scary at first. But the idea with the card is you're spending your interest, and that's something that I love. And so pretty much as I make purchases on this card, I am getting a percentage of cryptocurrency back, which is awesome. So anyways, let's jump over to the video. Pretty much like I said, we're going to go from CRO coin into Bitcoin to the Visa card. So like I said, will probably be less than 5 minutes, guys. So let's do this. Woo! Alright guys, so as we're in the Crypto.com app here, you're going to want to go to the lower right hand corner and click on card. So what that's going to do is just show you your top up feature as well as your send feature and what you've purchased with your card so far, your prepaid card, which is actually very awesome. That kind of shows everything and details it out nicely. But again, for us, we're going to go to accounts and Crypto.com CRO coin. And we're going to want to see how much CRO is available. So right now it's showing how much I've staked, how much I've earned, and it'll give me the total earnings right above the CRO stake, which is 670 CRO coin, so which is coming out to about 72 US dollars, and it's showing the price of 10 cents, almost 11 cents. So like I said, right now it's not too bad, but let's back out really fast. Let's go back to the card section really fast. Just because I want to show you what cryptocurrencies you're allowed to convert to the prepaid Visa, and that's going to be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Stellar Lumen. So again, like I said, the idea is we want to make sure we're transferring the CRO coin to BTC to the prepaid. So we're going to click on sell. And we're gonna want to do 50 US dollars. So right now we know we had $72, so we'll do 50. Actually, sorry, that's CRO coin. So we want to do, I think it's gonna come out to, what would that be, like 550 CRO coin? Actually, it's showing 1,000. Sorry, guys. So we want to do 550. Oops, sorry, I thought I was going to delete it. So 550. One more time. Sorry about that, guys. So 550. We're going to click on sell. So once we sell the CRO coin here, you're going to have a timer in the upper right hand corner that's going to show 15 seconds. So you have 15 seconds to confirm this transaction. Make sure you enter your password, or if you have a fingerprint reader, use your finger, and it'll say you sold 550 CRO coin. Just tap anywhere on the screen, and that is complete. So that was pretty much very simple and easy to do. Now we're going to go over to card, and we're going to click on top up here. So once you click on top up, you're going to see that it shows Bitcoin has a selected top up feature. But let's go back to accounts, because I want to show you on Bitcoin itself that it shows that the transfer was made. So you can kind of see it right here as I click on it here, and it shows 550 CRO to 0.0016098.5 BTC. So that's $58 that was transferred over to Bitcoin. Again, we'll back out here. Like I said, it's pretty easy from this point. So we'll back all the way out, go back to card. We're going to top up, the last time here, and we're going to choose 50. Actually, you said $58. Let's try to do $58 here, or $58. Let's do $58. Sorry about that, guys. $58. We're going to click on top up $58 to the prepaid card. And again, once we click on it here, you're going to see the rate that it's going for, which is 1 BTC is equal to $35,000, or almost 36,000. Method is BTC crypto wallet, and then total cost, the 15 seconds. So there's only 15 seconds. So instead of 58, let's do 50. I guess that was the thing. But again, you can kind of see that timer in the upper right hand corner. And again, each time it kicks you out, the price changes. So you'll see that the price is going to change again. I'll let myself get kicked out here again, just so you guys can kind of see that. So price is expired, and again, when I jump back in there, you'll notice that it doesn't move by much, but the price does move, and it's always continuously moving. So now 1 BTC is $36,000, but let's confirm it. So right now we are confirming the price point, and it's now topped off my crypto.com card for $50 additional. That's pretty much my crypto earn. That's what I've earned, that it's on there. So that's, a few meals, it's things I could buy at the store for myself, whatever. But like I said, $50 extra. So I'm very excited. But anyway, guys, let's jump back over for the closer and all that good stuff. All right, guys, so I do love this card a lot. Now, just keep in mind that once you move money to this card, it's not really easy to move your money out of this card. So just keep that in mind. Once it comes to this card, think of it as it's on this card. It is spendable cash. So it is one of those things that I just want you to kind of go, well, I put, all my cryptocurrency on there. How do I bring it back so I can put it back into cryptocurrency? It doesn't work that way. Again, this is spendable at that point. So just remember, trying to move it back over isn't easy. You'll pretty much have to go to an ATM, pull the money all out, and then you'll probably be like, okay, now I have to go and put it into the bank. And like I said, it just gets really complicated fast. So just know how much you're going to want to put on the card. So just don't go out crazy and go, okay, I'm moving everything in there. Just, get comfortable with it. As you saw in the video, I was using it for small purchases first, and I'll get to a point where I will move more money, onto the card. But it's just, like I said, I'm just trying using it, seeing how I like it. Like I said, this is the idea here, is to spend my interest that I'm earning from crypto.com on this card. So that's just something that will help me out with random purchases and stuff like that. But anyway, guys, just want to say thanks for watching. Make sure you smash that like if you found this informative. If you have any questions or comments, please throw them in this comment section below. And yeah, anyway, guys, we'll see you next time. Peace. Later.